What's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your PS1. Obviously first you're going to want to unplug your console. Second, you drag your little maid feather duster into the mix and start dusting away. You could even pop the hood and dust up in there as well. But quit your dusting, because we're throwing the compressed air can into this too. You're gonna want to gently spray the lens, like how you gently caress yourself, and once you're done you can close the disc cover and start blasting the rest of the console. That's right, no restraints, and that's just how she likes it. Make sure to really spray nicely around where dust can and will easily build up. And yeah, that's really about it. See ya.